this video we'll be seeing how to download and install NMap and ZenMap onto Windows. All you have to do is go to Google and type NMap download or just NMap. We'll just get this nmap.org/download. We'll have to go here and just install NMap. As npcap we have already installed in our process of installing Wireshark. If you haven't, you have to install it here. Just go and download NMap here. As you can see, it is 25.7 MB. It will approximately take a minute or two. Okay, so the NMap has been downloaded now. Just gonna say show in folders. It will go to my download folders. No. Okay, so it's saying the app isn't verified, so it install anyway. Now you can read all these terms and conditions.
Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss an video from Future Vision BIE.
I just say I agree to all this. Okay, next. ZenMap GUI is already been here. Right, we want this. Say next. Say next. Completed. I just say next, and I want to add all these items, let's say to create a startup folder as well as a register folder. I say finish.
Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss an video from Future Vision BIE.
Okay. As you can see, the NMap is installed in our machine, and you can see this icon here as NMap. It is actually an ZenMap UI. So what should I do to check whether the NMap is working or not? Ping to a network website, say google.co.in. I say, and I just want a ping scan whether it's working or not. I just say scan. It is saying one host is up and scan. This is what the ping returned in 0.7 seconds. This is the IP address of Google. So pretty much our NMap is working completely fine. Or else you can also give a quick scan, which don't consume much of your time, but does all the ping and everything here. Shows you what ports are open, what ports are closed. This is our IP for Google. So pretty much Google is working fine. Close anyway.